Hello friends, welcome to IT Job Pulse. Today I'm making a special announcement that is you can see on the screen free IT job training. Yes. So a lot of candidates came to me and they said that they're facing problems in their job hunting journey. So there are total 9 pain points which I am going to be talking about. To begin with, not getting interview calls. So there are multiple reasons behind it, but the major reason is missing the role clarity. Actually, if you are doing a career transition from non-IT to IT, then you are confused about which role to be chosen. So we are launching a free IT job training program. It's a lifetime free training program where we will help you to get the role clarity. Once you get the role clarity, then please don't go by the sequence. Then the next important reason is no real job training of hands-on experience on products or projects. When I speak with candidates, when I take the interview, I understand that they're from non-IT because they are not able to articulate the real experience of the projects which are completed in IT or any products they have worked upon. So we have covered this also. Then once you get the role clarity, once you get the real-time hands-on experience on products or projects, then we start to work on your resume, Naukri, and LinkedIn profile. Once we complete this, then again, please don't go by sequence. If you are having lack of confidence and self-belief, we work on that as well. And this is also covered in this free IT job training program. After that, there is again, please don't go by the sequence. We help you understand the right manifestation techniques. So it's not about superstition, it is backed by science, and it is a we have proven methods which helps you to manifest your dream job. And these manifestation techniques you can use anywhere, and this works very miraculously. Okay, so this program is just not about manifestation, just not about writing affirmations. It's about a process. It is combined with a process, actual process, and it requires actions also. Then once these things are cleared, you're confident, we'll look for a interview preparation. So we will cover most of the interview questions asked in the interview. And once you complete the interview preparation stage, then you will start appearing for the interviews. And suppose if you have any technical phobia, because in IT sector most of the candidates are scared of technical things. In fact, I'm surprised, in fact I got surprised initially when I spoke to some developers. They also had some technical phobia is nothing but fear of something. So don't worry, we have covered that as well. Now once all the things are cleared, then you'll clear your interview, you'll get your dream job in IT. But what about office politics and work-life balance? Guess what? That is also we have covered in the program. So if you're starting from scratch, or if you have experience, if you're from IT, if you're from non-IT, everything we have covered in this one program. So if you have a question related to certifications, if you have certifications, then it's good. If you don't have certifications, that is also fine. That is also fine because we recommend some Udemy courses which are very cost effective, very cheap. So you can complete Udemy certification as well. So in short, we are giving you a great product where we are solving a great problem. The problem is getting a job in IT sector, and we are solving it with proper training and with the right method, with the right process and right action, and combined with manifestation techniques. So which roles we are covering here? First one is again project manager, then scrum master, program manager, product owner, lead business analyst, product manager, and the developers. Developers are the top because they are the one who develop the systems. And yes, so these all roles we are covering in the free IT job training. So whenever I speak to candidates, let's say we see some video on internet, and we think that we don't have to have any technical knowledge. get into IT. So you start with project manager, you start with scrum master, you start with business analyst, you start with product owner, but then slowly you realize that I need to have some kind of a technical knowledge. So in nutshell, if you're a developer, you must have good technical, not only understanding, but you should be able to work on technology. But if I talk about other roles, then you are not coding, but still some kind of a technical knowledge you should have. You should have understanding about the technical terms and the jargons. That is also we have covered in this program. So what will happen is very simple. We will start with one project where we will assign a role of a developer to developer. We will have a product owner, project manager, scrum master, program manager, lead business analyst, project manager. So all of these people will come in a group, and it you will feel like you are working in real job. So how great is this? So once you get this real-time experience, you will be you will be able to speak confidently in the interview, and you will be able to crack interview as well. So this is what we are covering. So what is IT Job Pulse product? So let's understand the product overview of it. So IT Job Pulse is a purpose-driven platform designed to help aspiring and struggling IT job seekers uh, to gain clarity, confidence, and career success, regardless of their technical background. From profile building to interview readiness and mindset support, IT Job Pulse provides an all-in-one accessible ecosystem to bridge the gap between where candidates are and where they want to be in the IT industry. So overall, we have designed this product to make sure that whatever background you have, whatever problem you have, we are covering all that, and we are making sure that you cross the line and you achieve your dream job in IT sector. Having said that, it's not a one-way work. Like let's say you buy a television, it's given to you, you watch, you just have to use remote and you watch it. But it is not the case. It is a training program. You need to learn, you need to act, you need to do practice, then only you will succeed. Okay. So we have also created a network where we get requirements for jobs from different companies, so we share that job openings with you as well. So overall we have covered everything, and that is why we are calling unique healing proposition, UHP. So what are our unique healing propositions? So generally we see that USP, unique selling point. So we are not selling anything, we are actually healing, because it is career clarity that is really important, confidence, uh, community. This is all for free. One other thing I noticed, like for full-time job seekers, I see that when they don't have a job, they become alone. For me also, it was the same. We fight alone. We are not able to communicate with anyone, and that is why we lose confidence as well, and we start, we start to become more negative. So that is why you will get access to community also. It is for free, and we just don't help users to get a job. We help them discover which job truly fits, how to prepare, how to grow. Okay, another thing in terms of growth, I always recommend, don't think about growing in the same company. What's the best option? Always switch. But even if you are switching after 1 year or 2 year, you should be giving your 100%, 200%. You should be giving your best. You should be performing all the responsibilities very well, so that it helps you in the next company. Designed for both technical and non-technical backgrounds, with a focus on simplicity and step-by-step guidance. So even if you don't have a technical background, don't worry. Even if your technical background, still it will be very simple, because I believe you need to understand the process very well, then only you can achieve anything. It combines resume building, interview preparation, mindset coaching, and real workplace tips in one seamless journey. I have been there. I have got this all information after years of research, struggle, a lot of things. Like I wanted to make a product where everything is combined at one place. So it is a single source solution. You don't have to go here and there. So I have combined everything. So You start here and you end here. You come out of you come out of at the end with the offer letter and you start working. We make professional growth accessible to all with zero cost learning and community support. Yes, definitely. This is free and we are helping you to grow as well. Guidance on mindset and manifestation techniques to help job seekers attract right opportunities, even if they are unaware of such powerful strategies. I want to tell you one thing that manifestation techniques are to help you better your mind. It is not a superstition. A lot of people don't like affirmations or visualization. So manifestation techniques are just 5 to 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes we advise you to do. Again, which I mentioned previously, that we are giving you the process and we are also giving you the roadmap. We are also helping with action items. So you are performing activities. So it is a very great combination of manifestation techniques combined with the actual process. And as we know, whatever results are the outcome of the process which we follow. So, who should be getting into this program? That is fresh graduates, IT and non-IT, students looking for their first job in the IT industry, lacking clarity on roles, skills, or career paths. Okay, so it is for freshers. Then it comes to career switchers, that is who are doing uh, transition from non-IT to IT, that is professionals from non-technical backgrounds aiming to enter IT and need help with upskilling, resume transformation, and interview preparation. So a lot of times when I take the interviews of candidates in the company, I understand that people come from non-IT background and I'm able to catch that easily because the words they use, the way they answer questions. So you need to understand what kind of a questions you will have in the interview and also what kind of a keywords to be used in the resume and what upskilling you need in your career. Experienced IT professional seeking growth. Like if you're IT professional, if you still want some help. So if I talk about experienced IT professionals, now for people from non-IT, they will feel that it is easy for IT professionals to get a job in IT. It is not the case. It is the same for IT professionals, but yes, they have worked in the IT industry. They have advantage a little bit extra, but still, there are no limitations from IT or IT or non-IT. Anybody can get a job based on their efforts, hard work, perseverance, and resilience. Okay, so a major challenge which is faced by experienced IT professional is like getting interview calls or getting relevant jobs or maybe salary. There are a lot of things like cracking the interview as well. So if you're experienced IT professional, still you can go through this program. It is highly recommended for you. Sometimes laid off happens or career break you take. So again, you are coming back to a work after a gap, or maybe you have been trying a lot for a very long time to get a job and you're not getting a job, and that has become a gap. Don't worry, that also we will help you to solve in this free program. Underpaid or undervalued employees. Working professionals wanting better opportunities and pay seeking guidance to position themselves effectively. So now, underpaid is a very underpaid or undervalued. Okay. Now, if you are doing a work and if you are able to say based on my work, whatever work I'm doing, okay, if that is not paying me the right salary, then definitely you can think about changing the job. But just don't think like, my company is giving me work and I want to switch. Okay. So it has to be backed by proper data. Then tier 2, tier 3 colleges. We know about tier 1 colleges. It can be from any college, but if you're especially from tier 2 or tier 3 college, then I mean, mostly in these colleges, you don't get placement support. So you don't get advice also, visibility also, and skill building strategies also. So we are helping with that as well. Then women returning to work, like after maternity or personal career breaks, whatever your goal is, like career mapping, resume rebuilding, and confidence boosting, anything. And the last and most important, job seekers with low self confidence, like you have the resume, you have all the skills required. You are getting into interview as well, but you are failing in the interview, or you are not at all aware about what to do, then we are covering that as well. So it's a great package for everyone. And can you see this name here, description? If you are interested for this free IT job training program, I highly recommend you to check the description, and you can join this program. So I hope that you have understood all the program details. And once you get into the program, you will start learning for free. And the good news is it's live training, it's not recorded. Okay. So on that note, I want to say one thing, that no matter where are you in your uh, job journey, like if you are looking for a job outside in the market, if you have a gap, if you are struggling, it doesn't matter. Okay, if you are doing something, it starts with something. Okay, and it has to end someday. And if you remain consistent, then definitely you will achieve success. So uh, I recommend you to check the description, and if you check the description, I'll meet you in the live free IT job training. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Catch you soon.